Fireworks go boom. Happy smiles becomes frownies. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. They become evil because of they say their styles, but it's not actually the styles. They're actually emo, depressed emo. You just need some black and some black lipstick. Yeah, that's common sense. Oh yeah, yeah. You need a couple dollars and allowance. Heavy metal is not the best for depressed people. Fireworks keep exploding. Their fireworks are actually secretly TNT. Explosions are bad, but some teenagers want to do suicide. Some emos are depressed. They want to kill themselves. Such a waste when little baby birds get abandoned from humans. Yeah. Now you play ring around the rosy, pockets full of posies. Ashes, we all fall down. That's actually a British something of a virus, kind of like COVID-19. Yeah, that's common sense. Oh yeah, dust and ashes getting burned.